Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about nested functions. That's basically most of the formula and functions that you have used so far can be used as part of a nested formula. This is when one formula or function is placed inside another one. An example of this can be seen using this spreadsheet. Now, the ski sale column should show the price of the boat is if the type is jet ski and sold is no. So just for the sake of this, I'm going to turn that into an N. So we've got one, and I'm going to get another couple of jet skis in there. So let's get one and make this a Y. Right, okay. If the item is not a jet ski or is sold, it should show an A for not available. In order to do this, you must use a nested if statement. Now the formula is going to be placed in cell E2. The nested if statement will look something like this. So we start off with an equals if E2 equals. Now, because it's text, we need to put speech marks. So, jet ski, close speech marks, comma. Now, at this point, if it's true, we also want to put another if statement. So, if equals, if D2, which is its own column, equals N, so if it equals jet ski and it equals N, we want it to display the price which is in C2. And if it's false, if value is false, we want it to say NA, so not available. Okay. Now you close this if statement, which is the nested one. Now we still need to do a false one for the initial one. So again, that's going to be NA. Close that. Now if I copy this down, we are expecting one jet ski to show the price and one jet ski to still say NA. And the rest of them I'm going to say NA anyway because there's only two jet skis. So let's see what happens. Perfect. Now we just need to format that into a currency. Now to create this formula, I'm just going to walk you through exactly what I've done. We have used an outside formula, which is this, to test if the content of B2 equals jet ski. Now if not, it returns the NA message, and this part of the formula is the outside one. So this is the first formula. So it's testing if B2 equals jet ski. If not, it will return NA. Now the second formula is the second part of the nested formula, and this looks at D2 and tests if it's sold or not. And if it isn't, it will return C2, which is the price. If it is, if the answer is false, it will return NA. Another useful function that I wanted to show you is the subtotal function. Now, the subtotal function it can be used in place of a number of other formulas. So let me just quickly show you this. So when you put subtotal in there, you decide which formula you actually want to use. So I can, on C2, I can use the average count. So for this example, I'm just going to use count. So it's just going to count up how many there are. So that is 2. So I just simply put 2 in and put in the range. So it's going to count up this for me. Close. And it acts exactly as if that subtotal was a count function. So you can use this for various different formulas. So I can use max. I did put max in there. Maximum before, so it's showing me the maximum value, which is 36,000.